What's up, y'all? So this was a pre-made wreath, you guys, and I did snag it at Pop Shelf. I don't know if anybody knows what Pop Shelf is. It's like a fancy Dollar General, right? I paid $12 for this. I paid a whopping $12 for this. It's actually really pretty. I do love the bells on it. The greenery alone, you guys, I was like, yes, please. Yes, please, I will take this. They only had two, so I did buy the two. So we're gonna doll them up, you guys, because there was no ribbon in it. I was like, what the heck, no ribbon? But then I'm like, you know what? That's probably better that you didn't put ribbon in it. So it's really pretty. It does have the bells already included in it, and very minimal fluffing, you guys. Honestly, very minimal fluffing on this one. But I am still gonna come in and I'm just gonna, fluff her out, make her look pretty, because we are going to add some ribbons, right? I want a nice big bow right here in the middle. So I opted for some traditional ribbons, some of the 1 inch, some 0.75, some 7/8, some 2.5 inch. So I'm going to come on in. I do love this red and gold Ferris silk ribbon, you guys. I do use a lot of Ferris silk ribbon, and I figured since this did not break my bank, I'm gonna be able to bring in some of my designer ones. So making 2 loops. Oh, look how pretty that's already gonna look, you guys. Just like that. Boom, done. That's about 11 inches worth of ribbon because it's about a 5.5 inch loop, you guys. So I just opted for more traditional colors, you guys. The red, the green, and the gold. You know, you can't go wrong with that. These are going to be 12 inches. Pinch and twist. Okay. But look how pretty that's already going to look, you guys. Just like that. Just really simple. Zhuzhing it up. I'm not going to add any berries. I'm not going to add anything else to it. I'm literally adding the bow. I'm going to add a little bit of glitter. So adding in my 7/8 inch ribbon. $13 inches. Yeah, this is a pre-made, y'all. A pre-made that looks just like this, and it came from Pop Shelf. But yo, you can buy pre-mades just about anywhere. So we're gonna add in my 2.5 inch ribbon. And I'm just adding a strip of that. That's it. Just a strip. So, oh, look how pretty that is, you guys. Okay, so I want to add in my 4 inch of that Luxe ribbon that I helped to design, you guys. So, but, oh, look how pretty that's going to look. Just traditional, because I know a lot of people love traditional. Okay, so I'm just coming in with my zip tie. I'm not zip tying my bow yet, not until I put it on here, you guys. Okay, so just zip tying that directly. Okay, so just adding that in. I want to adjust my ribbon tails. Yeah, I love traditional, so that's what I'm doing at my grandma's house. We still decorate a Christmas tree at my grandma's house, even though she passed away in 2022. We still decorate. I still put up a Christmas tree, you guys. One, because I need content. Number two, it just doesn't feel right not being a Christmas tree there. So I always opt to decorate for Christmas. But so that's usually where I record my whole Christmas tree. And I set up the Christmas tree a while back, and I absolutely loved how it came out. And I'm like, okay, but I need to decorate it. Now I set it up, but I just need to decorate it. So just adding in a bow, you guys, quick, easy. If you're doing a craft show and you're like, what can I pump out quick that's not a big deco mesh wreath, or something like that, you guys, this is going to be your best friend. Find yourself a pre-made. I've seen the pre-made game kind of grow in the past few years and improve. And I am keeping the bells on there, you guys. I'm not going to take the bells off. I am keeping the bells. Okay. So just coming on in. So, y'all, just doing that to a pre-made, you guys, look at that. Okay, but look at that. So we just cut that out. The zip tie. Boom, done. Just like that, y'all. And we took that $12 pre-made and made it probably like $100. So I would definitely not have a problem selling that for $100.